Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I'll be sharing you unique method of growing petunia in hanging baskets, unique hanging baskets. What you have to do, you have to buy some seedlings. Here you can see this is in thumb pot seedlings. They will charge you around 3 rupees to 8 to 10 rupees per pot, and you have to buy this one, and you have to transplant in 3-inch or 5-inch pot immediately, and you have to grow them properly. After 15 days you have to transplant in bigger pot. Here you can soil mix. You have to take 50% garden soil and 50% compost. This is the usual, and if you want you can take 80% garden soil, 20% compost also. This is small 3-inch pot. I am transplanting to show you just normal garden soil and compost mix, and take out the whole root ball of this plant and transplant it in this pot, and apply some soil mixture here, and with the pressure of thumbs you have to fix the plant properly, and after that you have to water it properly. Small amount of water, keep it in semi-shade area for 3 to 5 days, and after 3 to 5 days keep it in full sunlight, and after 15 days you will see these kinds of growth you can see, or these kinds of plant will grow. And now you have to do the final potting in big baskets or any kind of plastic baskets or some wooden baskets or any kind of baskets you have, or some flat pots you have, you can transplant it. Here you can say lots of plants have grown, and lots of, and if you want you can buy these kinds of plastic baskets in 10 rupees only. You can buy these baskets and put some cloth inside, and then in soil you can grow this soil mixture. And here I am that this is some bamboo basket. These kinds of baskets are available in market, 20 to 30 rupees each you can buy. And after that you have to put some cloth on it, and then you can grow this plant in these kinds of totally eco-friendly baskets. And now this is the net type of cloth. If you have, cover it, or if you have some cotton cloth you can put here. And then I'll be showing you what kind of soil mixture you have to do. Proper soil mixture, you have to make it very lightweight soil mixture. Here I am using 50% garden soil, 50% compost, and in that additional nutrient I'll be adding some humic acid, fulvic acid, or I have some rose food. These kinds of rose food available in the market, and you can give 1 or 2 fistful of this rose food. This contains humic acid, fulvic acid, different kinds of seaweed extracts and micronutrients and different kind of plant growth regulator, and mix it properly. It will help you to boost the flowering in your petunia plants, because they will need regular nutrients from this soil mixture, and they will use blooming. So you have to water the plant regularly so that they can get the proper moisture. Now fill up around, make a bed of around 1-inch layer, and after making the bed you have to transplant the whole root ball. I am showing you how to transplant the whole root ball and how to clear the total thing. You have to watch the entire video. I am taking out the whole root ball of this plant here. I am putting here at the center, and again in another basket I am putting another plant here. And if you want you can put 2 plants also, but one plant is enough. This hybrid plant is enough for one basket. And if you want you can pinch off the tip portion. If there is grown extra large stem, then you can pinch off the tip portion, and they will be growing lots of branches. Here the extra cloth I am cutting off. I am removing the extra cloth because they are looking odd, so I am removing the extra cloth from here, and they will look nice. And after that I have to sprinkle little bit of water. I will keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, 3 to 5 days, and once the plants are settled properly I will be keeping it in full sunlight. At least 3 to 5 hours sunlight is needed. And one thing you have to be very careful, you have to proper nutrients. If you want you can give mustard cake liquid fertilizer every week in these plants, or nothing else. So one thing, if there is any disease or any insect attack, you can apply Confidor 1 ml per liter, or any kind of imidacloprid insecticide, or cypermethrin or chloropyrifos insecticide 1 ml per liter. Or if there is any leaf curl disease, there are subtypes they occur leaf curl disease, then you can apply Kaka. This is organic insecticide 2 ml per liter. If you apply once in 10 days, then there won't be any kind of leaf curl disease. And you have to keep the moisture always in this plant, and you have to keep the plant in at least 3 to 4 hours sunlight. And if you want, you can apply liquid master cake fertilizer every week, and that will do, and lots of bloom will occur. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice.